So hello students, welcome once again to Purnang. I believe you all would have definitely tried this question. See, whenever we are solving a question of limit, what is the first step? The first step is always to judge which indeterminate form is it. So let's quickly do it. As x approaches 0, so of course denominator goes to 0 and numerator, this is 1 into 1 minus 1. So this is 0 by 0 form. Now see, what are we going to do here? So here I will suggest you all to use series expansion, to use binomial expansion for any index. And what is that? See, the binomial expansion for any index is 1 plus 3 raised to the power, let's say 1 by n. So the expansion in that case is 1 plus 1 by n into t plus 1 by n into 1 by n minus 1 t square by 2 factorial. Similarly, you can go on writing till you wish. There is no restriction as to number of terms. आप जितने terms यहाँ पे चाहें उतने terms लिख सकते हैं, t cube by 3 factorial, and that's the pattern which we follow. The point is you get whichever degree term. It's a polynomial form of expansion, and you get whichever degree term you wish to get in this expansion. Okay, so now let's go back and apply it here. So I will write it. So this limit as x approaches 0. So let's apply for the first one, which is 1 plus ax whole raised power 1 by m. So I will write it as 1 plus 1 by m into ax plus 1 by m into 1 by m minus 1 into a square x square by 2 factorial. I don't think we need more terms than this. Similarly, into the next one, 1 plus 1 by n into bx plus 1 by n into 1 by n minus 1 b square x square by 2 factorial plus dot 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 and minus 1 divided by x. Okay, so we use binomial expansion for any index. Now what are we going to get here? So see, now just multiply. See, if I multiply 1 into 1, we will get 1, and which gets cancelled. So the minimum degree term which you are going to get in numerator is 1 degree. That is the term for x. So let us collect that term. So limit as x approaches 0. So if I collect the term of x, how will you get it? So when you multiply this term with 1, you get a term of x, and the coefficient is a by m. Or you multiply this term by 1 here, and then you get a term of x, and the coefficient is b by n there, isn't that? And then you have the terms for x square, x cube, and so on and so on. See, why am I not writing the other terms? Because see, let us be very clear about it. If you have 0 by 0 form and it's a polynomial expression in both numerator and denominator, then you can get the non-zero finite value only when the degree of least degree terms in both numerator and denominator match. Okay, so here in denominator, of course, you have only one term and its degree is 1, and in numerator the minimum degree term is 1, so it matches. So taking x common from both numerator and denominator, you will get x cancelled, and here in every other term except the first term you will be left with x. So as x approaches 0, this goes to 0, this goes to 0. So the answer is a by m plus b by n. And see, bacho, I will appreciate particularly those students who are regularly posting answer in the comment box. That's really appreciable. And see, if you are really serious about this series, and it's definitely going to help you all quite a lot. Okay, so chaliye, let's meet with some other question of some topic in the next video, bacho.